Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make savvy purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an electrifying showdown between two innovative security cameras. In the left corner, we have the eufy Security SoloCam S340, and in the right corner, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera. Get ready for some shocking comparisons.
Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price. The eufy Security SoloCam S340 comes in at a competitive price of $199. Not bad for a camera that promises enhanced dual camera clarity and 360-degree surveillance.
But wait, what's that on the right?
The AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera hits the market at just $129. That's a significant price difference. Looks like AlkiVision is shining bright in this category.
Now let's talk about video quality. The eufy Security SoloCam S340 boasts ultra-clear 3K resolution, allowing you to see every detail up to 50 feet away.
Plus, it offers 8 times zoom, perfect for identifying who's approaching your home. However, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera isn't far behind. It delivers 2K HD color night vision with Magicpix technology.
That means you'll be able to see clear details even in the darkest of nights.
Looks like both cameras are lighting up the competition. Next up, we have motion tracking.
The eufy Security SoloCam S340 features AI tracking and dual views, ensuring that no suspicious movement goes unnoticed. With a wide range of motion detection, this camera keeps an eye on your property from every angle.
On the other side, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera takes motion tracking to the next level.
Equipped with a precision sensor, it can accurately detect and follow objects within a whopping 355 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt range. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your home. Time to talk about installation. The eufy Security SoloCam S340 offers versatile installation with its compact size and wire-free design. You can have it up and running in just 5 minutes. But hold on to your light bulbs because the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera takes the crown in this category.
Installing it is as easy as screwing in a light bulb.
Just plug it into a standard E27 Zebin, download the app, and voila! You're ready to go.
It's so simple, even your grandma could do it. Last but not least, let's talk about storage options.
The eufy Security SoloCam S340 offers local storage, so you won't have to worry about any sneaky monthly fees. One-time purchase, no hidden costs. Nice!
On the other hand, the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera provides free-rolling 3-day cycle cloud storage and supports SD cards up to 128 gigabytes.
That's plenty of space to store all those funny moments caught on camera.
Looks like both cameras had their unique storage perks. Both cameras had their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the eufy Security SoloCam S340 and the AlkiVision 2K light bulb security camera in various categories.
Both cameras have their strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information on these fantastic products. Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smart buying decisions. Stay tuned for more electrifying comparisons and hilarious product reviews. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and until next time, stay smart and stay safe.